What's going on? Chef Dill here, and today we're going to be making two delicious dishes. The first one is going to be Tres Delish, and the second one is going to be Vegetable. There you go. Or Vegetable Island, whatever. Alright, come on, let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to grab is your, this. I don't know what that is. It's macaroni in a bowl. Deliciousness. Go ahead and just follow the instructions on there. Pull out the thing, pull off the thing, grab this, right? Just toss it out. You're going to want to grab some water, right? Just fill it up to the fill line, wherever that is. That's about a reasonable amount. Alright, you're going to want to throw that in there for about, I don't know, like 5 to 10 minutes or something. Yeah. Just a couple minutes or so, and it doesn't really matter. Don't follow instructions. Alright, so like, 3 minutes. Oh, that's a lot of time, actually. Alright, there you go, 2 minutes and 38, whatever, it's all good. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do, come on over here. Just go ahead and start this fire up. So once you got your fire started and your pan on your fire, go ahead and just pour your olive oil on there, because you don't want to have anything sticking to that. Alright, that's enough olive oil for now. Just go ahead and spread that all over your pan. You want to grab your spatula while you're doing that. Just get ready for later. Alright, so you're going to want to go ahead and grab your pepperonis, right? I prefer this brand of pepperonis. I don't know what brand it is. HEB brand. Alright. You got to open them first. Then you're going to want to just go ahead and grab a few and just kind of toss them on the olive oil. You're going to want to move them around before they don't cook on each other, because that's no bueno. Macaroni's still cooking strong. You just want to put your heat a little higher so they can cook a little faster. You want to get these guys roasted. You're going to want to pick up any pepperonis you dropped on the floor and just kind of throw them across the room. So you're going to want to wait and let your stuff sizzle. So VNBien. What's pepperoni made out of? Has anyone ever asked that? What is pepperoni made out of? Do we even know what pepperoni is made out of? I bet we don't. It's scientifically engineered. I already know. I already know the answer. I'm a scientist. Science still. Hi, welcome back to Chef Dill's Books and Cooks. Alright, so as you can see, I already took the measure of taking out this disgusting grease, residue grease. Alright, and what you're going to want to do is grab a little paper plate or something to store your little peps on. What you're going to do is just scrape them off. At this point, they should be hard as a rock. Yeah. Okay, that's how you want your peps, okay? You may be thinking, oh, they're burnt. Look at them, they're black. They're not burnt. They're delicious. Alright. Cut to future Dylan. And we're back. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is grab that cheese that you got from earlier. Just go ahead and open that bad boy up. Just going to want to pour that into there. Mmm. Deliciousness. Now I don't like to use all the cheese because I'm not big and fat. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and mix that in till there's no more clumps of cheese in there. And while you're doing that, you're going to want to go ahead and grab your hammer, right? Once you got your hammer, you're going to want to make sure you have your cutting board so you don't break anything under that. You're going to want to keep stirring with one hand and then smash the pepperonis with the other hand. Now you're going to want to have good eye and hand coordination for this. Make sure you crush them up nice and tasty. You don't want to accidentally choke on any pepperonis. Alright, that looks good enough to me. Mmm. Delicioso. You're gonna just want to get rid of your utensil that you just used. Alright, go ahead and grab your pepperoni bits and just go ahead and toss them in there nice and evenly as you mix with your spoon that's over at the fridge. Just gonna want to mix that in there. To go ahead and just keep mixing in there with your spoon that you have that you didn't throw in your sink like I did. Just keep going until you have it nice and stirred in there. Just want to make that nice and tasty. Make sure you keep doing that. Gotta get all the nice and pepperoni bits in there. Does not smell burnt at all. It smells good, if anything. Alright. Delicioso. Okay, next ingredient. Your barbecue. Now don't be a silly boy like me. You not have your barbecue ready, because I'm a silly boy. You're gonna want to go ahead and just open that barbecue right up. Deliciosos. You're gonna want to add just a little bit of barbecue, not too much, because then it destroys the flavor of the cheese. Just like a little. That looks like a good amount. You're gonna want to mix that with your stirring utensil again, the one that you still have in your hand. You just want to go ahead and mix that in there. Look at that. Has a nice brown to it now. And that's how you make your Tres Delish. This has been Dill, Chef Dill. Now on to our next dish. Thank you. What are you doing? You know what I can do?
Yes.
Grab glue. Hi! Welcome back to Dill's Books and Cooks. Now, the next dish we're going to be making, as you can tell, is Veggie Island. You got your cucumber here. You got a crown of broccoli here. You're going to want to get your glue for this one. You might have to use your glue. Either or will be helpful. And whatever this is, I don't know what this is. I found it in my backyard the other day. It tastes good. Okay, let's begin. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the thickest part of your cucumber. Sadly, mine is already kind of broken, so I'm going to have to get the second thickest part. You're just going to want to swift slice that down, right? Oh, that is a beautiful cucumber. Yeah, it doesn't really matter how big you want your cucumber. It depends how big you want your little island. So I want mine about yay big, right? Just deliciosos. You're gonna want to carve this out like a pumpkin, like you do for Halloween. Cut to future Dill where he's properly carved it out. Are we still filming?
Of course.
Fantastic. I caught that. You can't tell me I did not catch that.
Those are all seeds, dude. Seeds, dude.
Alright, so once you got your nice little hole carved out here, if you need to, go ahead and trim some pieces off your crown of your broccoli here. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab your glue. You're going to want to make sure that sucker stays in there for life. You're going to want to make sure that that's not going to get out of there. Maybe you should have put a plate under the thing for things don't get on things, but in retrospect, I don't care. Okay, let's just keep going. You're going to want to fill that sucker up almost like a hot tub. Alright, you're going to want to grab this, go ahead and just push it in there. Make sure it's nice and sturdy in there. Look at that, a beautiful little island. Alright, your final, why is this not? Your final ingredient, this juice that I found in my backyard. You can find this at any of my backyards, preferably not my backyard, but have fun looking for this juice. Delicious. Oh, sour. You're gonna want to just pour this on top, kind of like that. Look at that. You probably can't see it because it's clear and green, and the broccoli is green. As long as it's green, it's healthy for you, right? This thing should be delicious. And that's how you make your little island of green. I wish it had been Chef Dill.